If you love pork, this is the recipe for you. It is super easy. Bacon wrapped pork chops, and you will love it. All you need is 1 pound bacon, 1 pound pork chops, your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some toothpicks. We recommend a wire rack to elevate it because then when it drips off, it doesn't get the pork chops and bacon soggy. It just makes it crispy on both top and bottom sides. Once you wrap the bacon on top of the pork chops, you just use the toothpicks to keep it in place. We cooked it at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, but of course ovens do vary. So make sure you check the internal temperature to be 145 degrees. This smells so good. Can't wait to try it. And it tasted so darn good. It went so good with a side of macaroni salad, zucchini, and baked potato. But of course, you can use whatever you like. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.